Hi. Hi guys, today I will be reading to my bird. I do not know what he's doing because he's on my back. You can see him right now.
He's preening your scrunchie.
Okay, yes, he's pretty much scrunchy. And today I'll be reading to him.
Alright, hold your book up so everybody can see it.
Okay. Buzz, what are you doing? Okay. Hi. Please stop trying to rip my shirt. Okay. So, today I'm going to be reading this book my mom made. Bud, stop. Just get in my head. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine, Buds. You're fine. Okay, I'm just going to start reading so
Okay.
he can stop chewing on me and not his food. Okay. So, this book was made by my mom. I do not know what he's doing.
He's making a nest.
Okay, he's trying to make a nest with my hair. I do not know why. Okay, so time to read this book for my little bird. I can feel his feathers. I can feel his warmness on me.
Alright, read your book.
Okay, so this is the book that I'm going to be reading. And it's going to be just saying what the animals are. This is a sloth. This is a red-eyed tree frog. Let me flip the page real quick. I gotta turn it around. You do not see a parrot there. Okay. I'm just going to say snake. This is a snake. This is an anteater. But what? Okay. He's technically crawling around me. Okay. This is a leopard. Let's look at him. Okay, so it's a weird elephant. I don't know.
It's a tapir.
Tapir. And this is a macaw. So, don't have to cut the video. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get the bird off my shoulder and talk about him now. Let's, come on. Come on. Let's, what are you doing with my hair? What is he doing?
He's trying to build a nest.
Can you grab him?
Yeah.